Hello everyone. In this video we will continue the tutorial of the shop demo. So we will create another page displaying the specific item we tap on, and it will display the item name, the item photo and the item price. So let's continue where we left in the last session. Now we will create a new activity. The new activity will be the activity that displays the info of each item. So in order to create a new activity, we go to Java, right click, new activity, we select empty activity. Now let's call this activity item detail activity. And we make sure the generate layout file is checked, and then we click finish. Now we have this activity here. First, let's go to the XML file of the activity and work on the layout. So the layout is empty. Now let's make the background of the layout the same background color as the layout of the first activity. So let's go to the layout here, to the layout XML file, and make the background color the color background. Okay, the color background is already defined here. It's the background color we defined earlier. So in the color file, so let's go back here and let's continue our work. Now we will create a simple layout. So let's create a text first, text view. So the text view, wrap content, and let's give it an ID, let's say title ID, and let's put a dummy text now. So text equal some dummy title, and let's select a color that goes with the colors that we were building the first activity with. So let's go to this one and see the color is color gray. So let's select color gray for the text color. Text color is color gray. Now let's give it a certain size. So text size around, let's say 40 would be good. I think it's a good size. You can change it if you like, and that's it for now. So let's bring the text here and make it constrained. So we'll constrain the top to the top of the page, and the left to the left of the page, and the end to the end of the page. Now the text will be centered horizontally. Now let's give it a margin from top. So margin from top, let's give it around 40 dp. Again, you can change it if you like. Now let's create another item, which is the image item. So image view, the photo item. Let's give it a width of, let's say 100 or more. Let's give it 200 dp by 200 dp, and let's give it an ID. So the ID would be, let's say photo ID, and what else? So let's give it now a source. Now the source, now this image would be dummy at in the beginning, so we will select any image for the source. Let's select any image from here. We can select, for example, or any color for now, just for the image to be dummy, because we will change it later. It will display the image of the item we select. So let's just move it a bit, and let's constrain it now. So we'll constrain the top to the bottom of the title, and the start to the start of the page and the end to the end of the page, and also we'll give it a margin from top. So margin top equal 50 dp. Now at the end we still have the price, so let's create a text view for the price. Wrap content, and let's give it an ID. The ID would be, let's say, price ID. Okay, and let's also give it a dummy text, so text equal some dummy price, and also let's change its color, so to color gray, and let's give it a size, so text size would be, let's say, 40 dp or 40 sp for the text. Okay, now let's give it some constraints. So we'll constrain the top to the bottom of the image, and the left of the page, and to the right to the right of the page, and also we'll give it a dummy we'll give it a margin from top. It would be, say, let's say 50 dp. Okay, so now we have the design of the page ready. Now what we'll do is we will link the two pages together. So we will do that in the next video, but first let me do something here. So we said that the image size is 200 by 200. So let's make sure our images here are, so what are the sizes of the images here? 260 by 176. So let's give all our images are 260 by 176. So you can check your images in the drawable file and give. So I made some images here for each item. So this is the other quiche photo, and this is the quiche Laurent photo. You can use the images you like, but all my images sizes are 260 by 176. So I'll make the width and height of the image view the same, so 260 by 176. Okay, that's good, and see you in the next video.